And I think Divine is fantastic. Me and Rose base all our clothes on. It's fantastic. Here's the video.
In the night, I'm gonna walk the street. Walk the street. I wanna feel the heat. Feel the heat. There ain't nobody better than me. Can't you see? Look at me. Wild. Feeling wild. And I'm burning up. Deep inside, I wanna let it go. Let it go. I'm gonna steal the show. Steal the show. There ain't nobody better than me. Can't you see? Look at me. I'm so beautiful. You gotta believe that I am beautiful. I'm so beautiful. Can't you see? Look at me. I said I'm so beautiful. Well, everybody's welcome to this point of view. We're all beautiful. Can't you see? Feeling high, I'm really gonna shake it. Through the night, I'm gonna nail the beat. To the floor, I'm gonna make it scream. Scream for more. There ain't nobody better than me. Can't you see? Look at me. I'm so beautiful. You gotta believe that I am beautiful. I'm so beautiful. Can't you see? Look at me. I said I'm so beautiful. Well, everybody's welcome to this point of view. We're all beautiful. Can't you see? There ain't nobody better than me. Can't you see? Look at me. I'm so beautiful. You gotta believe that I am beautiful. I'm so beautiful. Can't you see? Look at me. I said I'm so beautiful. Well, everybody's welcome to this point of view. We're all beautiful. Can't you see? Look at me. Can't you see? Look at me. Can't you see? So beautiful. You gotta believe.
Write most of our own songs.
You write most of your songs?
Yeah, I mean the only covers we do are Jolene, and we've done a couple of covers, but most of the songs are our own songs.
How about Let Her Go and Since Yesterday?
Yeah, we wrote them.
I see. Well, what do you, is this your first time in Japan?
No, second, we've been in
Second.
Japan before, yeah.
For a promotion?
Yeah.
How do you find Japan? And
Oh, we love it.
Light up when you mentioned
Japan, I go. I went to Japan, I want to live here.
Oh, okay. Well, where do you do your shopping?
Well, we make a lot of our own clothes, and then we find just lots of different places. In London, there's quite a few interesting places you can find, and I bought these flowers in Tokyo the last time I was here. So, like, wherever you go, you find things, and we just put them all together.
How old are you?
I'm 26.
26 and
25.
25. Do you ever have a chance to meet any artists or
Other artists.
other artists?
Yeah, I mean we've toured with Howard Jones, and sometimes
Jones?
yeah, and he's really nice. But we've worked. I mean, you know, if you're working in a studio, in a recording
Yes.
studio, then you meet the other bands who are there, and also if you do TV shows, like we met loads of people when we did a TV show for Japan over, you know, so it's like a lot of you always meet people.
So you're from London. You have an accent.
Yeah, well, we're actually not from London. We're from Glasgow in Scotland.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The next song's by ABC and it's called Be Near Me. It's great. I think ABC are a brilliant band. They're really funny. Great clothes. Make us look normal.
It was Castles in the Air. So what a great line, castles in the air, a beatnik love affair, what a topper. I really like this song, it's very, very good. It always reminds me a bit of something else. I've got the feeling I've heard it somewhere before, but obviously not. It must just be such a good song.
To share forgotten dreams, go through the motions of loving from afar, and feel as if I'm reaching for the stars. But each drop of hopelessness amounts to what could be a raging sea. It could be springtime, I'd meet her at the gates, if beauty ever comes to those who wait. Castles in the air, if only they were there, just like a beatnik love affair. Those castles in the air. So let me look into the windows of your soul. Let me make the most of what I'll never know. We'll eat forbidden fruits and sing our favorite songs and never tell each other we're wrong. Each drop of tenderness you'd give would be another reason why I'd want to live. Would be another chance to sit beneath the stars and whisper to each other in the dark. Castles in the air, if only they were there, we'd be so free and unaware, watching castles in the air. Why should a lonely person care? What can a lonely person share? A broken heart is much too hard to renovate, 'cause beauty never comes to those who wait. And romance is a word that should be seen but never heard. I don't even know your name. The castles in the air, we were almost there. We almost share castles in the air. If only they were there, just like a beatnik love affair. Castles in